solitude in mind. Thoughts come to me and fade away. Gusting dreams I've always had. I'll take it apart.
Welcome back, guys. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1966 Mustang. This one here has a 289 under the hood. No power steering. Should be a decent running and driving car. Check out maplemotors.com for more additional pictures, financing options, parts, wheels, tires, accessories, and shipping. We can ship these cars all over the nation. May have to delay the test drive just for a second. It does not stop raining here in Tennessee. It is raining right now. It just started as soon as I started the video. If y'all are wondering why they weren't flying out like they normally do, I have had weather problems all week. Definitely hit that subscribe button. Like I said, we're getting ready to take off down the road. Whenever it stops raining again, I'll have to get the chamois out and chamois her off again. Which is all right. That's not too hard. Definitely check out my music channel, Southgate Production. Top right hand corner there if you're interested. I start all the videos out with some of the original tunes that I make. All right, guys, it's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Check out the interior before we take off here. Go ahead and place your bets. You think the horn works? It's a little game we'll play on this channel. Interior's in pretty good shape. Let's go ahead and start it up. Starts up pretty good. Has an exhaust leak right up under here. Oil pressure gauge is coming up. I don't know how accurate it is. It just went all the way up. Gas gauge came up to about a quarter tank. It's showing 33,000 miles on the dash. Can't stand behind that. This is a 66 model. The radio works. Blower motor works. Delayed, but there it goes. Wipers work. Horn. Oh my goodness. But it does work. All right, guys, let's hit the road. All right, guys, get my seatbelt on. Maybe we can beat the next storm front coming through. It's supposed to rain all day, and I have plans to get all these Mustangs done, so I'll do what I can. Anything I see that's wrong with this one, I will let you know. I know this is more of a project car. It's gonna need some stuff for the price that we have it. You can hear that exhaust leak right off the bat. Speedometer is coming up. Steering's got a bit of slack in it. Car's pulling to the right pretty good. And let's try the brakes. Brakes are gonna need a little bit of work. They're a little soft, kind of going to the floor. Stopping, just soft. It's pretty smooth going down the road. Kickdown is hooked up on this one. Temp gauge down here on the floor and it's not working. Figured maybe it would. It hasn't came up yet, neither is the one on the dash. Turn signals are popping up on the dash there. Get into the brakes pretty good. They're just soft. I mean, they're stopping. floor. You'll need some work there. All right, I'm gonna pull in this parking lot here. We're gonna drive by the camera, see what it sounds like from the outside, get some outside shots, and continue this test drive. If you're interested in buying some of the gear that I use, I put everything in the description below. So look below, I got Amazon links to all that stuff. All right, guys, let's get this shots. All right, getting ready to take off here. Get y'all tilted down a little bit more. That way you can really see the inside here. Gotta manually turn off the turn signals. This is that road with the speed bump in it. We're gonna hit it at a moderate speed. A little bit of rattles going on in here. Suspension feels pretty good, but speed bump's right here. Decently quiet. Only thing I heard was the center of the steering wheel. Car doesn't feel too bad. I hope y'all enjoyed this test drive video. I got 2 more Mustangs to do today, so we'll go ahead and knock them out. I do appreciate y'all riding along. Definitely check out the walk around video if you're interested in this car. Y'all have a good one. All right, guys, I appreciate y'all watching. If you have any other questions, definitely check out maplemotors.com. We got shipping and financing options available. Close to 100 detailed pictures. And if you like the video, hit that subscribe button. I post videos every single day. We'll try to get you hooked up with these American classic cars. Do test drives, walk-arounds. Definitely look at the walk-around video. I'll link it to the last 30 seconds of this one. And if you like the music, I got another channel, Southgate Production, top right-hand corner. Click that and go subscribe. All right, guys, thank y'all for watching. I got some more work to do today. See y'all later. Yeah, have a good one. All right, guys, go to maplemotors.com for close to 100 detailed pictures, financing information, and shipping. We ship these cars all over the nation. If you like the channel, hit that subscribe button, share this video. It helps us out greatly.